May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. We're looking at the pound USD cable. All right. We're looking at the monthly time frame. I want you to see that it resembles a lot Euro USD. We are making a lower low here. All right, breaking structure here. All right. We pull up for a lower high, we go down for a lower low, we pull back up, never taking out that high, for a lower high, and again, we make a lower low breaking structure. And here we have a pullback, and it is a complex pullback because it keeps going. But what I want you to pay close attention to is the measurement of that retracement. Here is the high. Doggone it. Here is the high, and here is the low, and we're going to move it out to the side here. And you can see we pulled up right around to the 85% fib retracement, right? But what I want you to notice is once it got here, it made this beautiful bearish engulfer here, all right, at a fib level, all right smack dab in the middle of the, I got the wrong thing up here right now. Hold on. I will show you, I promise. Okay, there we go. 786, all right? This 786, right around here is maybe 80, 85, right? Right in the middle. And it created this bearish engulfer, which is a bearish indication. And you see price fighting to get past it. I don't think we will, honestly. And I think this may signal that we may be heading down. All right. But, I don't want to jump on anything. I don't want to start just jumping in shorts here. All right. You can see how we have this doji candle in there for the month of last month, rather, the way September closed. All right. And it's indecisive. All right. But we can see the upward momentum is starting to wane a bit. That's what I want you to notice from that time frame. If we go here, you can see that we've been bullish since January, pushing higher because the US dollar was weakening. It was weakening the whole time. All right. And that allowed the pound to show strength going higher. All right. And we broke this high, trading above it. All right. And that is a bullish indication. All right. But we haven't taken out this high yet. You understand? And if we take out this high, that is confirming bullish price action. But this is internally bullish. All right. This is a swing structure here. This high and low. This is internal structure. Internally, we are bullish. Why? Because we are in a retracement, right? A correction to this impulsive move. Does the retracement end here and start the move down, right? Is this the lower high, the potential lower high to create the next lower low? That is the question, all right? It's very much the same kind of analysis I gave to the Euro USD, right? Because they are the structure is shaped very similarly. All right, look, this is Euro USD. This is the pound USD. Euro, pound. All right. Here's something interesting. We have a SMT here. All right. The euro is made a higher high, sweeping buy-side liquidity, and then showing structure, market structure shift downward after we broke that low, downward. and we're pulled up into this this last impulsive leg here, this impulse leg, and we're correcting that, it looks like we may be heading down. All right. Meanwhile, the pound is weaker. All right. It has made a lower high versus a higher high on the euro. It also, I'm taking it also as a bearish indication. Look at this low here. Just managed to sweep the sell side liquidity here, pushed up into this bearish leg. All right. And that fair value gap here. Okay. And you can see we did not get a close above that bearish fair value gap. Once price tapped it, we thought we was going to go higher. No, this is a wick of respect, and we closed down on Thursday. Friday, we got bad news insofar as NFP is going to be postponed and government went to shut down and all that kind of stuff. And we got this weird, what do you call it? Inside bar, an inside bar. And you tend to see inside bars where there is a change in the direction of price. This is the opening candle, and we are opening with a gap, a small gap to the downside. That's interesting in itself. All right. I like the fact that we have some bearish markers here. Here, all right, we have a buy before a sell. All right. And this is our order block, just like I showed in the EURUSD. All right. I like this to be tested. Price did come back and test it. We did not get the market to go any higher past it, and I think we are ultimately going to be coming down. That's where I'm leaning. This is a bearish neutral, a neutral bearish kind of situation here, and we want to wait for the market to tip its hand. All right, if we go through the 4 hour, this is what we're going to be waiting for. Look at that gap. Look at that gap. I'm looking for price to close this gap and continue down. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this to turn into a wick on the daily. All right, this is the 4 hour time frame that we're looking at right now, but I'm looking for price to continue down from here. Maybe we close up this gap and then come on down. I'm going to be looking for price to take this low here as sell side liquidity and this low. If we get down that far, we could be in consolidation for a minute. All right, this week. We'll see come Friday. Maybe we get the NFP numbers, maybe not. We'll see. Right? But I like price to kind of make its way down here. Now, here's the other side. If the market comes up and sweeps this high, just look left. We have relative equal highs over here. Right there. All right. That's not, it's not crazy to think the market may make its way back up here to sweep this high, and maybe these highs into this fair value gap here just for the tap and then come on down. It's not crazy to think that. All right. But we're going to let the market tip its hand. We're going to let the market tip its hand. If I get a close below here, that's all I need. A candle body close below that low, that would signal a bearish market shift. All right. And I would be looking for price to come back up into whatever leg that is. I'm looking for the pullback so I can get on and take it down to this low, and this low. Yes. All right. If we get a structural market structure shift here, and price closes with a candle body close here, then I'll be waiting to see price hit that high and maybe these highs. All right, and that's when I will look for a price to turn back around, because I ultimately believe that this move here, up, down, pullback, I'm looking for this to go down. This isn't a V-shaped recovery. This looks like we have structure to go down. This may end up as a failed swing, and we may see price just continue to head down. There's some liquidity up here. I do like that. We could wake up and then come on down, but that's not what I'm looking for. I mean, that's not, if it happens, it happens. I'm going to let it happen, though. All right, before I jump into anything, that's what I want to see. I want to see something definitive. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit the like button, hit the boost button. All right, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Whether you think that the market will head further down, if we're going to see some more downside. I believe this candle, Friday's candle, should have been a bearish one if there was no government shutdown and if we saw NFP. I honestly believe that. So we may see it this week. That's my thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.